What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz, and today we have a flawless mid-fade to go over, so let's get right to it. First things first, you want to moisten up your canvas, that way you're able to section with ease. Make sure your sections are right on the parietal ridge. With your preferred trimmer, create your first baseline. This is a line that determines the shape of the fade, so try to contour it to the client's head shape. You now want to remove everything underneath. For a cleaner look, go ahead and use a shaver to get rid of all the stubble. Using your clipper with a lever fully open, create a half-inch guideline all around. With the 1.5 now create another guideline, but this time extend it to a full inch. Next, with the number 2, flick out and remove all the extra bulk. If you still happen to see some excess hair, you can clip or over comb, but don't dig in too deep. You now want to close up the lever fully with no guard and run through your baseline halfway through, gradually opening up the lever as you go up. As I always say, if this guideline comes out clean, you're setting yourself up for a flawless fade. With your half guard halfway open, create a half-inch guideline. Open up the lever now and create another half-inch guideline above. With the number 1, I remove any line that is left above. Play around with the lever if needed. Finally, with your lever open, use your corners to remove the last bottom baseline. I did decide to put in a design, but if you do, just be careful not to make it too thick. Guys, I just want to take a moment and thank you guys for all the love and support you guys have been showing the channel. I really appreciate it. If you're currently a beginner, remember to stay patient and keep learning. As for the top, I just cross cut to give it some texture. Guys, here you have the finishing product. If you do happen to have any questions, just comment down below, like the video, and if you guys aren't subscribed yet, please click the little red button to stay up to date with everything I drop. Keep on working on y'all's craft. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.